We have to go the other side.
Yes, it was time to take my people to the market.
Thank you.
And not just any market, the local village market in Isuofia. And it happened to be Orie Day. So all the shops were open with their goods displayed, ready to sell. There is no way you can imagine how my mother and brother felt at this moment. So many new faces, friendly people, greeting them. They were simply overwhelmed by all this love and happiness. A good morning here and a friendly no there. My mom was deeply touched. So after gathering momentum, we kept on looking around in the market. We saw it all. From dried fish and yam to meat. There's nothing you couldn't find here. Yes, even oppa for chijoke. Of course, my mom had to try it. And she enjoyed it very much. And after we bought everything we needed, it was time to take a break at the local roadside shop. With some cold drinks and a good view on the main road. Before it was time to head back home. Honestly, I don't think my people will ever forget this day. Coming from a country where we are still fighting racism every day, being greeted with so much love and excitement by total strangers will leave a long-lasting impact and impression on them.